In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate an image using Runway ML. Whether you're an experienced designer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can bring your images to life with ease. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to start by navigating to the Runway ML website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, then hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to sign in. What you're looking for here is the button that says Log in with Google. Click on that to proceed. This option makes the process seamless by connecting with your existing Google account, so there's no need to create a new one. Next, you'll be directed to the Google login page. Here you should see a list of any Google accounts you might already be signed into on your browser. If you see the account you want to use, go ahead and click on it. If it's not listed, you can add it manually. Once you've selected your account, you'll be taken back to Runway ML where you can continue with your animation project. Now we're getting to the creative part. On the Runway ML dashboard, look for the option to drop an image or click to upload. Choose the image you'd like to animate by dragging and dropping it into the designated area or by navigating through your files via the upload button. Once uploaded, you should see a preview of your image, which means you're ready for the next exciting step. Here's where you start crafting the animation. You'll need to type your prompt into the provided text box. This is a crucial step, so take your time to be as detailed as possible. Think about what kind of movement or transformation you want to apply to your image. The more specific you are with your descriptions, the better your results will be. Feel free to experiment with different ideas to see what unique animations you can create. After you've input your prompt, it's time to decide on the duration of your animation. You'll see an option to select the length. Consider how long you want the animation to run. Whether it's a brief few seconds or something more extended, make sure it fits the narrative you're aiming for. Once you have your duration set, you're just one step away from bringing your project to life. When you're satisfied with all your settings, go ahead and click on the Generate button. Now just sit back, relax, and let the system do its magic. The generation process might take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear immediately. Once it's done, you'll have a stunning animated image ready to share. And there you have it, you've successfully animated an image using Runway ML. Thanks for following along and happy animating.